So in this video, I'll be executing or implementing some grouping commands and some other essential commands. So first we'll look into grouping commands. So in that, the first one is semicolon command. Before and all, you will be executing the commands one by one. That means one command in one line. But using this semicolon command, we can execute multiple commands sequentially, no dependency on success. Okay, that means if the first command fails, also the second command will automatically runs even though the first command fails. So it will be executing one after another just by keeping a semicolon at the end of the each command. Just I will give an example for this. Just I am typing who command, giving a semicolon and then a date command. So it will show the result like first the result will be for who command and then followed by date command. Let's look into it. So as you see, first it is showing the who has logged into this system details and then followed by the date. So we can give more than two commands, one command, it's up to you. Just by giving a semicolon, it's enough. So I will just show you here three commands is executed. So pwd, ls, and I am giving date again. Okay. So it will execute sequentially. First the pw command will be executed, followed by ls, followed by date. This three will be executed sequentially. Let's look into the result. See, as you see, first it is showing the output for pwd followed by ls command followed by your date command. This is how a semicolon command works. The next command will be seeing is our logical AND command. This is also the same, but here if the first command fails, the second command will not run automatically. So in semicolon command, we have seen that if the first command fails also, the second command will automatically run. But in logical AND command, if the first command fails, the second command will not run. Since both the commands succeeds only, it will give you the output. Let's check. So I am giving cd test and echo directory change since I don't have any test folder, the first command will fails automatically, so the second command will not be executed. It will show the error for the first command cd test. See, as you see, no such file or directory exists. Okay, so for logical AND command, I will give you one more example also. So in this, I will be creating a test directory and I am changing its path. Okay, it will automatically execute mkdir test test. First, it will execute our mkdir test command. So it succeeds. So it will proceed to the next command and it will execute cd test. So this runs. As you see, it has changed into test directory. So this is the logical and command executes. The next one is logical OR command. This is also similar to your logical AND command. In OR, if the first one fails also, the second one will automatically execute it. So I am just creating touch os.txt or cat os.txt. Okay, so first it is executing touch os.txt and then it is moving into cat os.txt. First it is creating and then it is going. If the first one fails also, that means our touch command fails also, the cat command will automatically execute. If any one of the command in the sequence is true, that command will be executed. regardless of whether the previous command fails or uh, not work. Okay. So next we'll go into filtering commands. In this, the first one is head command. Head command is used to display the first lines of a file. So I have created a os.txt file, but I don't have any content. For that, I am just opening the text editor and I am filling some content in that. Okay. So just I am giving os.txt and opening the file. So it is open. I am given it in set mode. Just I am filling some command roughly. This is Linux. This is Linux. This is Linux. The same command I am just typing. This is Linux OS or some 4 lines. Just I am coming out of this. Now I am going to use the head command to view the first lines of our os.txt file. Just you give head followed by your file name. It will show the first top lines of your file. Similarly, the tail command also. Tail command will display the last lines of your file. Since it has only 4 lines, so in general it is returning all the things. But if I were to specify any number and I have to display means, just you have to give head one hyphen, just that number, how much line you want, and then your file. Here it will show just first 2 lines in that os.txt. As you see, you can able to view that first 2 lines in that file. Similarly for tail also. os.txt I am just giving. See, as you can see, the last 2 lines of that file. The next command is mode command. Mode command is used for displaying the output page by page. Okay. So here I will tell ls1 slash. It will display just os.txt, just one file. Okay. The next command is grep command. Grep command is used for searching some pattern in your file. So I am giving grep some pattern. So I am searching is pattern. In which line and all is command is there in that file, it will highlight and show the terminal. So I am just giving that file. See, as you see that is command and all highlighted and shown in your terminal. So whichever pattern you want, you can use grep command to search for that pattern in your file. Next, we will see sort command. Sort, as you know, it is used for sorting the file contents. So if you give sort default, it will sort in ascending order. So I am just giving sort os.txt, and as you see, it is sorted in ascending order. If I give to sort in descending order, I will give just minus one hyphen or and then your file name. You can see it is sorted in descending order. If I want to see the number of lines of a file, we can give nl command. So nl followed by your file name. You can see the number of lines of a file. Okay, as you see, it is showing the number of lines with numbers displayed. So the next command is cut command. Cut command is used to extract some specified character from each line in our file. So I am just executing cut command. Cut. Just I am giving 1 to 5 characters from each line, and I am giving my file. So it will display 1 to 5 characters in each line in this os.txt file. So as you see, this is the first 5 characters is displayed in while I am using cut command. So it is used to extract as specified characters from each line in the file. So next we will look into some other essential commands. In that, first one is p command. This is used to display the amount of available and used memory, that is our RAM, in that Linux system. So I am just giving free command. If I give, it will show the amount of memories used by the system and available memory in the system. So if I want it in human readable language, it is in machine readable language. If I want in human readable, is on -h. If I give, it will show in human readable form. Okay. The next command is stop command. Stop command shows a real-time continuously updating list of running process along with the CPU and memory usage. Okay. So when I execute stop command, it will show what are the processes that are running in this Linux system with how much of CPU it is utilized and how much of memory utilized by that process. And all such details will be shown when I execute stop command. If I give, it will just go. As you see, it will just go on. It will just go on. To stop that, I have to just press Q to stop. Okay. The next command is PS command. PS command will show a snapshot of current running process at a specified moment. If we want to see a current running process, we can use PS command to see that. Just enter PS just to show what are the process that is running currently at a specified moment. Okay. The next command is vmstat. It is used to it will show a statistic report which includes information like processors, memory, paging, IO, traps, and CPU activities. Okay, I'm just giving vmstat. As you see, it will show the details of CPU, IO, all such things. Next one, dm command. In dm command, it is used for displaying the amount of disk space used and available on the file system. So how much of disk space is utilized by this Linux system and how much is available for the system. If I want to see, means I have to just give df -h, means it will show me in human readable form. See, as you see, file system, available space, used space, all such things are displayed in your terminal. The next command is ping command. Ping command is used for checking network connectivity by sending ICMP protocol request to another host and measuring response time. So just I'm giving ping google.com. It will show that network connectivity. From my system, I am checking the network connectivity of google.com. If I see, it will just go on. If I press Ctrl+C, it will just stop. Okay. This ping command is used to test networks, basic network issues, and check whether our host is reachable, and many other things. Next, our ifconfig command. This command will configure network interface parameters such as IP address, net mask, and status. If I give, it will show the configurations of this system, of this system's networks. So that's all about this command. This ifconfig commands are used in IP address system, troubleshoot network configuration, to disable or enable network interface, and all such things it is used. So that's all. Thank you.